This morning, the Honorable Mrs. Justice Crescencia Brown-Beckett delivered the judgment in the case of Mr. Fitzjackson versus Bank of Nova Scotia. And in her judgment, she has ruled in favor of Bank of Nova Scotia, with costs being apportioned 80-20 in favor of BNS. And so she highlighted certain things in her judgment in relation to whether or not the Bank of Nova Scotia had breached the law in relation to the encashment of checks and the imposition of bank fees. So the real issue in the case was whether or not Bank of Nova Scotia had authority to impose bank fees. She was of the view that there was some banking code that allowed them. We have looked at the judgment. For now, we can say that having delivered the judgment in favor of BNS, we intend to take certain steps to appeal the decision.
The ruling is not one that we expected or desired. And having had an initial perusal of the ruling, the arguments put forth in the ruling, and deliberations with the legal team, I am convinced that there are very, very strong grounds of mounting a successful appeal, and as such, that will be done. It is of note that the matter before the BNS was not in respect of all banking fees. It was specifically in respect to the cheque encashment fee, which was being levied. And I said, I've been, because I gather they have now ceased charging the encashment fee. So we can say that there is some margin of success in this matter, in that they have formally terminated the imposition of encashment fees. The matter was not for my personal benefit. While I was a victim of the practice by the imposition of the fee, which caused me to lose $385 out of a check of $2,500 that was a payment to me.